Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrency chart. Fantom, we've only checked it recently, but we've had some interesting developments, especially in the last few days. Obviously a lot of volatility in the crypto sector, Fed interest rate decision, US election, so a lot of movements in the crypto charts. I'd say we'll take a look at the chart. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website here, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the description if you're interested in receiving these daily free Elliott wave updates that we're covering here in the videos, but much more. Feel free to register. You can do that, as I said, completely for free. And it's not only for crypto, you will also get tech stock updates and stocks and the US stocks and the S&P 500 as well. So let's take a look at the crypto section. We want to take a look at the Fantom chart, FTM. We'll take a look at the long-term chart first. Anybody who has been here for the previous videos, I mean, you know already the long-term outlook for Fantom, but this is also to get everybody on the same page, get everybody informed about the latest structure. So you can see that on this chart, the idea is that a wave 2 bottomed in this cycle, which is typically a very deep retracement, very deep pullback before a very aggressive rally is supposed to start, which would be, from an Elliott wave point of view, the third wave. A third wave is typically, as you probably know, the strongest wave in a cycle and is typically impulsive and typically a 5-wave pattern itself, which means there is a rally in wave 1 of 3, then a pullback, which would be the wave 2, then the wave 3 of 3, typically the aggressive part of that third wave, then a 4th wave, which is typically a bit boring, and then a 5th wave where the momentum is already slowing down. That's always where we see, or where we typically start to see, bearish divergences on the chart when we look at indicators like the relative strength index and the MACD. Now there is a key level here at 368 which needs to be broken. That would unlock prices in the region of $8.30 or higher. So this is also the minimum expectation on the long term, let's say in the long-term target area. 8.30 can go higher, but I'd say let's first see if we can get there. And I think everybody's already happy if we do. But it's these levels, these price areas are there to give you some guidance where things could be going as long as relevant support is holding and if the market can break above 368. Now let's take a look at the short-term chart. This is quite interesting because we have here a few key levels to watch. I mean, overall, that lowest line, that's an invalidation point. I mean, that is sort of around here, 26 cents. That level needs to hold. It's an absolute must in order to keep the upside expectations alive. Then we've got the 52-cent level, which is the recent low, which must hold as well in the short term, at least to support the idea that we've actually bottomed here in the internal wave 2. Now in the last video, only a few days ago, I think, or last week, we talked here about this possible 1-2-1-2 setup. If you watch this video or if you are a free subscriber to our services here on the website, as I said, it's completely free, then you were aware of the trading area. The price dipped into this support zone, into this trading area for a pullback trade in this possible wave 2 and already reversed out of it. I mean, obviously this move is too small to really confirm we are going higher. I mean, yes, we do at the moment, but is it really sustainable? So the structure, I'd say at this stage, still very fragile, but a break above that next swing high at 79 cents could be additional support for the bullish scenario. But yeah, I mean, the idea is now that the wave 2 bottomed. I think next week we should know if this is a sustainable rally. Bear in mind, I warned about volatility this week. We talked about possible short-term volatility due to the interest rate decision and the US election this week. So things might still very much be in movement and things are very fragile on the smaller time frames at the moment. But this could be the catalyst the crypto sector needs to finally get moving. A lot of the altcoins, the charts are prepared, but they haven't really started to move yet, and the correction has been ongoing for a long time. So it would be really good if finally the prices are starting to move north, I would say. As I said, obviously the last swing low must hold. With a probability of 33%, we see the risk of another dip, then possibly just to reset the wave 2. But the preferred interpretation is that we've bottomed now and that we've started to move up. But as I said, it's too early to really confirm it. So it's all about probabilities. They are dynamic. And I think next week we should know more if those structures that are currently developing, if they can provide some stability or if they break again. So I think we just need to have a little bit of patience, but things are looking quite promising right now. We will of course keep you updated, and I hope you liked the update about Fantom. If you did, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, feel free to register on our website. As I said, you can do that completely for free. The link is in the description, and then you get access to all of these other asset classes. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies you'd like me to cover going forward. Activate the notification bell not to miss any future videos. And thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.